Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm so excited. I just got one of the new sets for Modelones in the mail. I'm so excited. This is the temperature set. Comes in this gorgeous black and gold box. It says we communicate the world with color. On the back it does say that it's the temperature set, the colors it contains. I managed to grab this at their 30% off sale. And of course they got the little instructions inside. But let me swatch these out for you and then we'll make a manicure with these lovely, lovely colors. I was so excited when they came out. Let me get them out of the box real quick. Okay, let me show you the box without them. It's like a little velvety lined box. I love it. I keep them all right back in there. Let's start off with the below 10. It's below 10 degrees Fahrenheit, which would be way beyond freezing. They're doing 7 colors, one for each day of the week, and they're doing it based on the temperatures. And this is below 0, so this is 10 degrees below Fahrenheit, or below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's swatch them on and see how they look. Then hopefully I'll come up with a manicure. Haven't seen these in person yet. Just been stalking them on Instagram and I find out I love the colors. Who can't use another purple in their life? This is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. This is like a dark periwinkle blue. Look at that color. Quite a few of you know I'm a purple addict, so that purple is calling my name already. These would be some sweet colors for spring right here. I'm already thinking of some ideas to do in the winter with this blue. Oops. And then here's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just above freezing for those of you on the metric system. And this is more of a periwinkle blue. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You can see the difference right here. I've done the 3 blue toned ones together so that you can see. The first one's purple, the last one's blue, the middle one's in between. That's a lovely range. You can make a really good gradient with those 3. And yes, you can do gradients with gel polish. You just don't cure them first. At least how I do it. I know from their Blue Blood and Traveler set, all their gels cure in 30 seconds. So we'll see if that works with this. This is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Maybe I'll put the Celsius numbers on the screen for you. This is a pretty mint green. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm loving it. And it does speak to me in that these are like temperatures. We're getting a little warmer with the temperatures. Remember, gels just self-level out. I keep playing with them, but you have to play too much. And if you ever make an error after you cure, you can buff it right out. That's what's so wonderful about gels. Sorry, I'm getting so excited. This is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. We're getting warmer. This is a pretty yellow. Look at that. I'll be swatching these out on Instagram as well. So head on over there to Nails of Interest on Instagram and my Facebook. It's all linked below if you want. I'll be swatching these out on my own nails when I get a chance to. This one's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a summer temperature. Look at that orange. It's calling me for fall and Halloween minis. Ooh. I love these gorgeous bottles. It does take a little getting used to the lids, but I actually like them. They don't slip out of my hand. But it does take a little getting used to. I admit that, but I like them. They feel like real wood. These gels are just so rich, and I just don't know how to describe it. They're using some type of different base gel. This is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is very hot. And look at that red. It's just a unique red. Oh, that's a lovely red. But a lot of reds are lovely, aren't they? I've seen their smoothie collection, Budapest Hotel. I'm just wanting them all. One day I'll get them all. Okay, let's put care of these. Okay, that's the first coat. It's almost completely full coverage, but I'll give them a second coat. Again, this is 10 degrees below Fahrenheit. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to wear. My mind changes as I swatch them out. This is my first look at them up close and personal, besides on Instagram and the store's website. Okay. This one's 20 degrees again. Ooh. So you can see, you can get a different effect with how many coats you put on. I'm getting things in my mind. This is 40 degrees. Okay, let's see all the colors together. And look how stunning they are. You've got every color of the rainbow almost in here. All these are pretty. I'm trying to think what I want to wear. Got so many ideas in the winter. Oh, I'm loving them all. I don't know what I want to wear. It's still summer, but I'm wanting it to be winter. What do I want to wear? I don't know. I'm gonna go for the purple right this second. So get out the base coat. My nails are already prepped. Let me base coat these up and be right back with you. This purple. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna do a gradient on one nail. Haven't done one of those in a while. I really never know when I'm painting my nails what I'm going to do. Skip that nail for right now. Opposite here. Just gotta be different, you know? we go, more of an organic gradient, what I wanted. Because that brush is full of gel already. Yep, I put too much on. I'm flooding my cuticles. No worries. That is what I wanted, an organic gradient. I could probably still get it on this one. Let's play. That came out pretty cool. I need to fix this one up. Tell you it's been a while since I've played with gradients and colors. But you can see what to do, what not to do on this channel. If I wanted to be a perfect gradient, I would have wiped my brush off, but I'm wanting it more of like a fluid effect. It's a little hodgepodge mix and match. Now don't let it be too thick in any one area, just remove it if it is. It's kind of like a tie-dye effect. I'm not sure what you call it. That's what I was going for. I've got to cure this. Now normally you could just stop right here, but let's just get out some of that Nail Candy Shop glitter. Look at that. Let's just see. You can apply it with a brush, or you can apply it with a little stamper that fits in there. However you would like to apply your glitters. Artist choice. I'm going to start with a brush, see how I get on with it. You can apply light, you apply thick. Let's show you with the stamper. Example. See, the stamper picks it up, and stamper stamps. I might actually like the stamper a little bit better. For the bigger chunks, it seems to work better. Well, this doesn't work quite well for me. A lot of people get that to work. It's just not working for me. Perhaps it's the gel polish I'm using. Maybe my sticky layer disappeared. And there's a sticky layer. You can relocate your little dots. I don't like them near my cuticle. You can also try to do that method. I think this one's lost some of its tackiness when I tried to do the stamper. I'm just gonna go for it. Make this one a full glitter nail. You still see the purple peeking out. I'm liking the glitter a lot. I might have to put more base coat on this nail to get the glitter to stick. Yeah, touching with the stamper got rid of my tacky base coat, or my tacky layer. Okay, I've got my sticky base coat on. Give it another go. Because because why not? Disgruntled babies around me. Didn't float it, so I've got it on my brush. Gotta wipe those brushes off. Put it on and you just sort of float. You pull off the excess. You can put on the next nail. I put way too much on. If you do that, it'll flood your cuticles and it will burn. Do as I say, not as I do. I'm removing excess, putting it on the other nail. Excited because I had the glitter sitting here. Make sure nothing's on that brush. Even if it's your dedicated glitter bottle, don't put nothing on there. Well, that's how the nails turned out. Kind of cute. I know it's hard to see on the screen with all that glitter I put on, but you can see the lovely blue or purples showing through, even though cameras like to pick up on the glitter instead. So that was the Model 1's set, the temperature set from Model 1's. These are the colors, starting at the coldest to the warmest in the series. Got them backwards, but... Okay, coldest to warmest, right here. This is their below 40, all the way up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Lovely, lovely colors. I love them all. There was a little nail candy shop glitter. Hope you had fun here today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.